Hello my fashion lovers, this is Stars by Angel. On this tutorial, I'll be making this headband. If you're joining for the first time, please subscribe, like, and drop your comments. I'll be making this beautiful headband. You can use any fabric of your choice to make this headband. You can use Ankara material. You can use a doll face. You can use damask. You can use anything you have to make this headband. And here I have 3 pieces of the fabric. I have 3 pieces of it. I've cut it already. The length of each one is 24 inches. The length is 24 inches and the weight is 5 inches. The weight of each one is 5 inches and the length is 24 inches. I'll go ahead and measure like so. 24 inches by length and the weight is 5 inches. And I have 3 pieces. And now I'll go ahead and sew it down and turn it to the right side. I'll go ahead and turn it to the right side. I've turned it to the right side. Now I'm going to get my fiber. This is my fiber. And I'm going to pieces it like so. I'm going to pieces it like so before inserting it into the fabric. I'll cut it into tiny pieces. Now go ahead and insert it. You can use anything you have to insert it inside the fabric. I'll be using this long iron to insert it. I will insert it. Like so. I'll go ahead and do this for the remaining 2 pieces. Insert. If you're still watching till this point, please go ahead and subscribe. Click on the like button. And after inserting on inside the 3 pieces, this is what I have. Then I'll go ahead and join the 3 pieces. I'll go ahead and join the 3 pieces. See how I'm joining it? Go ahead and join it and I'll sew it together. Just stitch a straight line to join it together. A straight line to join it together. And after joining, this is what I have. And now you go ahead and braid. You braid it like so. How you do your normal braiding. You braid it. I'll go ahead and braid it together like so. And I make sure that it's not too tight. Not too tight. And after braiding, this is what you will have. In the down part, I will go ahead and stitch it like I did upper one, I'll stitch it together. I'll stitch it together. And now I will get another piece. I'll cut another piece, and this is 3 inches by 15 inches. 3 inches by 15 inches. I'll fold it and stitch it. Now I'm going to cut my elastic. My elastic is 6 inches. I will insert it into the fabric. I will insert it into the fabric. My elastic is 1 inch elastic. I will insert it into the fabric like so. And I will stitch down the both ends to hold the elastic inside. Stitch it down. And now I'm going to use it. See what I'm going to do? I will insert it, the elastic. I will insert it in the middle, then use the fabric to cover it up inside the fabric like so. See what I'm doing? And I'll stitch it down. And I'll do the same to the other side. Insert it, stitch it down, and this is what you have. Very simple to make. If you have any question, ask in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe and drop your comments. Thank you for watching my tutorial. See you in my next class. Thank you very much.